In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to connect Logitech G733 wireless headset to Xbox Series X and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, the Logitech G733s are primarily connected wirelessly to PC and other consoles using a USB wireless dongle. All that you would have to do is plug this dongle into any available USB port on the PC, console, and so on. So what about the Xbox Series X? If you have this pair of headsets, what you might have tried to do is, of course, connect it in through the same manner. So you plug in the USB wireless adapter and then you power on the headset after it has been sufficiently charged. What you will notice is that even after plugging in USB wireless dongle on your Xbox Series X and powering on the headset, nothing will happen. Why is this? Is the headset not compatible with the console, or do you need some sort of workaround? And do you need to charge it before, something along those lines? Well, sadly, as it stands today, Xbox consoles, including the newer Gen Xbox Series S and X, and also old Gen Xbox One, do not have support for non-licensed USB headsets. The only USB headsets that are going to work are the officially licensed Microsoft ones, so you have to look for headsets specifically designed for the console. As it stands today, the Logitech G733's wired and wireless are not licensed by Microsoft. What this means is that you will not be able to use them through the USB cable or any other workaround. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of using this specific headset on your Xbox Series X and why it's impossible to do so. Xbox also doesn't have support for Bluetooth headsets, so if you want to use a headset on your console, you will need to purchase specific headsets designed for the Xbox Series S or X. If this video cleared up any questions that you had on how to connect Logitech G733 wireless headset to Xbox Series X, please remember to give it a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.